BNA specializes in wastewater treatment technologies and control solutions. We have two key product offerings. The wastewater treatment technology is called WSB Clean, and that uses the moving bed biofilm reactor technology, which is a compact, efficient, and economical treatment process. We also offer the Click and Clean control panel platform, which is a versatile controller for any wastewater treatment system, having a wide range of flexibility, functionality, modularity, remote management, and data logging capability. Our wastewater treatment technology is customizable to allow higher levels of treatment that can be adapted to applications such as nitrogen and phosphorus reduction, disinfection, non-potable reuse, and greywater applications. The innovative aspect of our product is that it takes a well-established technology on the municipal scale and scales it down to a level of residential and commercial applications. This provides features of stability of a municipal system in a price package that's affordable and easy to operate and maintain. The control system is unique in the market as it can offer all the capability of a real-time remote management and control system in a compact and economical package.